In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this material by using various material nodes. Here are the full nodes. I'm using a magic texture node to control the pattern, but other texture nodes can be used instead. Let's change the settings and see how it changes the overall pattern of the material. The layer weight node outputs a weight typically used for layering shaders with the mix shader node. I would highly recommend everyone to use the layer weight node to control the factor values while mixing two or more materials. We can add multiple texture nodes like this. Let's add one more and see what that does. As we can see, they make interesting results. I'll undo the changes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.